Hey there, you're at a bustling grocery store, filling your cart with essentials. You swipe your Ally debit card, and the transaction goes through smoothly. But what if you're making a larger purchase, like a new laptop or a plane ticket? What's the limit on your Ally debit card? Hook, have you ever wondered if your Ally debit card has a spending limit? Let's dive in and find out. Understanding your Ally debit card. Before we get into the specifics, let's clarify what an Ally debit card is. It's essentially a plastic card linked to your Ally bank account. When you use it for purchases, the funds are deducted directly from your account. Daily withdrawal limits. One of the most common questions people have is about daily withdrawal limits. This refers to the maximum amount of money you can withdraw from ATMs or over the counter using your debit card in a single day. Ally typically sets a daily withdrawal limit for your protection. However, the exact amount can vary depending on your account type and your recent transaction history. ATM network limits. It's important to note that while Ally may have a daily withdrawal limit, the ATM network you're using might also have its own restrictions. Some ATMs may impose lower daily withdrawal limits or charge fees for out-of-network transactions. Point-of-sale limits. When using your Ally debit card for purchases at stores, the transaction is typically processed through a point-of-sale (POS) system. These systems may have their own limits on the amount you can spend in a single transaction. However, these limits are generally higher than ATM withdrawal limits. Online and mobile purchases. Online and mobile purchases often involve higher transaction limits. This is because these transactions are typically processed through secure payment gateways that can handle larger amounts. Factors affecting your limits. Several factors can influence your Ally debit card's limits. These include account type. Your account type, e.g., checking, savings, can affect your limits. Transaction history. If you have a history of responsible spending, your limits may be higher. Account age. A longer account history can sometimes lead to higher limits. Security measures. Ally may adjust your limits to protect your account from unauthorized activity. How to check your limits. The easiest way to check your Ally debit card's limits is to log into your online banking account or use the Ally mobile app. You should be able to find this information under your account settings or transaction history. Increasing your limits. If you need to increase your Ally debit card's limits, you can typically request this by contacting Ally customer service. They may require some additional information or verification before approving your request. Tips for responsible debit card usage. To avoid any surprises or inconveniences, it's essential to use your Ally debit card responsibly. Here are some tips. Monitor your transactions. Regularly check your account activity to ensure everything is accurate. Set spending limits. Consider setting spending limits within your online banking or mobile app to stay on track. Report lost or stolen cards immediately. If your card is lost or stolen, contact Ally right away to prevent unauthorized transactions. Be mindful of fees. Be aware of any fees associated with using your debit card, such as ATM fees or foreign transaction fees. Conclusion. So, what's the limit on your Ally debit card? While there's no one-size-fits-all answer, understanding the factors that influence your limits and following responsible spending practices can help you make the most of your card. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to Ally customer service. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any other questions about Ally debit cards or want to learn more about Ally's other products and services, be sure to check out our other videos. Until next time.